you're experiencing FPS drops in Minecraft, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow these steps to help calibrate and fix the issue quickly. Step 1. Adjust video settings. Go to the game's video settings and lower the graphics settings. Set the render distance to a low value, turn off fancy graphics, and disable smooth lighting. This can significantly improve FPS. Step 2. Allocate more RAM. Open the Minecraft launcher and go to Installations. Select your profile, click on More Options, and increase the amount of RAM allocated to Minecraft. Aim for 4 GB or more, depending on your system's capacity. Step 3. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers. This can enhance performance and stability. Step 4. Use performance mods. Consider installing performance-enhancing mods like Optifine. This mod allows for extensive customization of graphics settings and can help improve FPS by optimizing how the game runs. Step 5. Close background applications. Before launching Minecraft, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help improve overall performance while playing. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Minecraft FPS. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.